Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So today we are going to start the very important part of the theorem called Pythagoras theorem. So today we will understand the use of Pythagoras theorem, or we can say the application of Pythagoras theorem. So it is the part of mathematics part 2 standard 10th. Okay, and we are continuing with our chapter called Pythagoras theorem. So today we will understand the application of Pythagoras theorem. So let's start the first application of Pythagoras theorem. So this part is totally activity based, that's why we are using this textbook. Okay, so and I hope you will understand very clearly. Okay, so the application of Pythagoras theorem, we have first example to understand first application of Pythagoras theorem. It applies on acute angle triangle only. Okay, so any of the angle in triangle which have to be less than of 90 degree, then we will apply the first application of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so it is given that in triangle ABC, this is the triangle A, B and C. Okay, angle C is an acute angle. Angle C is an acute angle, that means it is less than 90 degree. Okay, and segment AD, this is the segment AD on perpendicular on side BC. Okay, so then prove that AB square, that is AB square equals to BC square plus AC square minus twice of BC into DC, that we had to prove, and it is really very easy to prove that. Okay, it is for acute angle, we will have minus here, and if you will take obtuse angle, that means one of the angle of the triangle is more than 90 degree, then this sign will change and will come plus 2BC into DC here. Okay, so let's understand this theorem. In a given figure, let AB, see the measure of AB is C, then measure of AC is B, and measure of AD is P, measure of DC is X, and measure of BD is A minus X. Why A minus X? Because the distance of the measure of BC is A, so this part is X, that means we have to subtract X from the BC, then we will have A minus X. Okay, so यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस हो गया A, यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस हो गया X, तो अब यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस कितना हो जाएगा, इस टोटल A में से X को सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे, that is A minus X, that's why it is we have A minus X. Okay, now we will solve. In triangle ADB, we are discussing about triangle ADB. Angle D is of 90 degree. Why 90 degree? Because we have drawn perpendicular AD on BC, so this angle will be of 90 degree. So this side C is opposite to the 90 degree, that means this will be hypotenuse. Okay, so we know according to the Pythagoras theorem क्या हो जाएगा, A से पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अकॉर्डिंग क्या हो जाएगा, हाइपोटेनस का स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू अदर टू साइड के स्क्वायर के सम के बराबर होता है. इट इज द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम वी कैन राइट दैट सी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू ए माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, then plus we have p square. So in this box we have to write p square. Now we will elaborate a minus x square. So we know a minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So likewise here we have written a square minus b square plus b square minus 2ab. In this form that we have kept our a and x. Okay, so a minus x का स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा, a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर x स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू a इंटू x प्लस p स्क्वायर we will write as it is, so it is p square. Now in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, what will we can write according to the Pythagoras theorem? The square of hypotenuse is equals to the square of sum of other two sides. Therefore b square equals to, we have b square equals to p square plus x square. So here we have to write x square. So x square will come in this box. Okay. So we want to have this p square. That means we have to transfer this x square to another side. So x square is in positive form, will go in negative form of b square. So p square equals to b square minus x square. Okay. See here we have this p square. Now we have to place p square in here. Okay. p square की जो value है, that is b square minus x square, we have to keep here only. Okay. So we can write by equation number 1 and 2. What we can write? C square equals to a square minus 2ax plus b square. It is from equation number 1. And from equation number 2, instead of p square we are writing b square minus x square. Okay. So now we have to solve. X square equals to a square plus b square. See, a square plus b square. See, x square negative, x square positive will get cancelled. So what we will have now? Minus 2ax. So we have written here minus 2ax. And then what is c? c is ab. So instead of c we have to write ab. So we have written here ab square. Then what is a? A is bc. So we have to write here bc square plus we have b square. What is b? It is ac. So instead of b square we have to write ac square. So we have ac square. Then minus 2a. What is a? A is bc. So we have written here bc into x. What is x? It is dc. So we have written here dc. So और this is our answer. और ये हमको प्रूव करना था. This means we have to write hence proved. Okay. So this is the way you have to solve. आपको करना क्या है? बस दोनों ट्राइंगल के लिए हमने एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किया एंड दोनों ट्राइंगल के पाइथागोरस थ्योरम के अकॉर्डिंग हमने उनके वैल्यूज लिख लिए. और फर्स्ट वाले इक्वेशन में हमने p की वैल्यू को कीप कर लिया. सो व्हाट इज p की वैल्यू? इट इज p स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू b स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में. ओके. So students, this is the way you have to solve the first application of Pythagoras theorem, and we will solve few numericals depending upon this application also. Okay. So if you want to write, you can write or take a screenshot because we have filled these blank spaces. Okay. So write down now. You to write from here only. Okay. So now we are going to solve the next example to understand the second application of Pythagoras theorem. It is for obtuse angle. You know, this is the diagram. Here angle C is obtuse angle. That means the measure of the angle C is greater than 90 degree. That's why the triangle ABC is called as obtuse angle. Okay. So in triangle ABC, angle ACB, that means that one, is obtuse angle. That means its measure is more than 90 degree. Then the draws segment AD perpendicular on BC. So BC तो बस इन तक था, तो हमने क्या किया? BC को और थोड़ा आगे तक के ड्रॉ किया और इसके ऊपर हमने AD परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किया. Then we have to prove that AB square equals to BC square, that is BC square plus AC square plus 2BC, twice of BC into CD, that we had to prove. Okay. So in the figure, segment AD is perpendicular on segment BC. So let AD equals to P. AD को हमने कंसिडर कर लिया, वो क्या है? P है. AC is equals to B. AC is equals to B and AB is equals to C, then BC equals to A and DC equals to X. Okay, so the distance of BD will be A plus X. Okay, so first in triangle, so now we are going to solve. So in triangle, in right angle triangle ADB, this one ADB, this is the hypotenuse. So square of hypotenuse equals to square of P plus square of A प्लस एक्स का होल स्क्वायर ले लेंगे, ठीक है. सो बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम वी कैन राइट एज ए बी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू ए डी स्क्वायर प्लस डी बी स्क्वायर. It is the square of hypotenuse equals to square of sum of other two sides of right angle triangle ADB. Okay, so what is AB now? AB is C, so we have to write here C square equals to what is AD? A to D, AB, it is AB. So what is AB? It is AD, it is right. AD, what is AD? AD is P. So we have to write P square plus BD. BD, what is BD? A plus X. So we have to write A plus X whole square. Now we have to solve this first, then we will move to the next part of this session. So C square equals to P square plus C. Here we have A plus X whole square. So it is like A plus B whole square. So what is A plus B whole square? It is A square plus B square plus twice AB. So we have to elaborate this as this one. Okay, so what is A? Instead of A we have A, so it will become A square plus, instead of B here we have X square, so we have to write X square plus 2AX. Okay, therefore C square plus P square plus A square plus X square plus 2AX. Okay, so this is our first equation. Now next, in another triangle ADC. Now in triangle ADC, ADC, AC is hypotenuse, that is B. So we can write by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, I am writing like abbreviation, you have to write whole, that Pythagoras theorem. Okay, or we can write also Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so we can write as AC square, which is hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is B, so we have to write B square equals to, then we have height which is AD and AD is P, so we have to write P square plus base is DC and DC is X, so we have to write X square. But we want to have the value of P square, that means we have to transfer A square to another side. Okay, so we can write as P square equals, see we are transferring X square to another side, will go in negative form, so will become B square minus X square, and it is our equation number 2. This one is equation number 1. Okay, so in here we have P square equals to B square minus A square. So instead of P square we have to write this part. Therefore by equation 1 and 2, by equation 1 and 2, what equation number 1? It is C square, it is not plus, it is equal sign. सो वी हैव सी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू पी स्क्वायर के बदले में हम लिखेंगे बी स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, सो वी हैव टू राइट बी स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. देन वी हैव ए स्क्वायर, वी हैव टू राइट ए स्क्वायर. देन वी हैव एक्स स्क्वायर, देन वी हैव टू राइट एक्स स्क्वायर. देन 2ax, so we have to write 2ax. Here it is positive. See, plus x square minus x square will cancel, so we have to write a square in front. So c square equals to a square, then we have b square, then we have plus 2ax. Okay, so this is the solution. So students, here we are completing our today's session. In today's session we have understood the two different properties, we can say use of Pythagoras theorem. One is for obtuse angle and another one is for acute angle. So in first part of this topic we have discussed about acute angle triangle, and in second part we have understood obtuse angle triangle. ओके सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. हाँ, और एक बात हमको ये प्रूव करना था, दैट मीन्स हम यहाँ पर लिख लेंगे हेंस प्रूव्ड. ओके सो स्टूडेंट्स, बाय फॉर नाउ.